Hello everybody, we are here in Familia Torres Priorat, in this beautiful landscape, finalizing the 34th edition of the Familia Torres Wine Course. This year we had a chance to host 16 sommeliers from all around the world to have the opportunity to spend a week with us discovering the different appellations in Catalonia. Coster del Segre, Conca de Barberà, Priorat, and of course the beautiful Penedès. The project started 34 years ago by Mr. Torres' fourth generation, with the idea of give support to the sommelier industry in order to learn and discover more about the Catalonian appellations. Every year we receive different motivational letters from sommeliers all around the world that they are expressing their desires to come to visit us.
It's been very informative, but also we get to meet all of the other people here from around the world, making a bond and starting as a group where we can all rely on each other and ask each other for information and keep in touch going forward. So hopefully we will help each other bringing the Torres wines to the world.
One of my motivations for taking the Familia Torres Wine Course was definitely to expand my knowledge, because for me, wines is a relatively new topic and it's just one of those artisanal products that the more you know, the less you know. So I feel that when you have the opportunity to experience something like this, especially through the lens of Familia Torres, this is a great way to educate and also kind of be connected and meet a lot of new people, especially with sharing the same passion that you have.
During 1 week they have the chance to meet our winemakers, to meet the members of the family and to taste the different wines that Familia Torres are doing.
En Familia Torres Wine Course me ha sorprendido la organización, me ha sorprendido la cercanía y lo familiar, que es, nunca mejor dicho, la familia Torres. Ver que detrás de una marca que puede a primera impresión ser muy conocida por su éxito en lineales de supermercado, en grandes vinos que los extranjeros han consumido durante años y años, ver también esa otra línea de grandes vinos de grande calidad, de pequeñas ideas y nuevos proyectos muy interesantes, sobre todo la recuperación de variedades ancestrales que llevan tantos y tantos años haciendo.
Today we had a chance to meet different sommeliers from all around the world. They've been sharing their own experience during the course. For the next edition of Familia Torres Wine Course, we will have new somms that join us. We hope that one day you can join our project or follow our stories.